Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio for the today I want to install Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra wallpaper on my phone. Okay, how to do this is simple. Go under this video in the description and download this wallpaper pack. Okay, on the description you can also support our channel. My bank detail link also in the description. This is my phone, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, as you can see. Amazing phone, beautiful phone. I installed 102.5 inside. As you can see, it is definitely not a joke and it's working. Look at that. Beautiful settings, nice sort of motion. As you can see, it's Android 10. Wonderful, beautiful. Okay, and I have also downloaded this wallpaper that I put here on my internal storage. Okay, as you can see, this wallpaper is on my internal storage and it's here. When you download, you will see this folder. Now what can you do? You need just to open and you can access to all of this wallpaper pack. Okay, and you can now make your choice and install what you want to install on your screen. This is the first. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. The second, another one, another, again, 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 and again, and again. Do you believe this? There are so much wallpapers here for you. You can now make your choice and enjoy yourself. Okay, let's make a test right now. Let's start by face wallpaper. Okay, no. Well, some amazing wallpaper. Okay, let's start by this wallpaper. Click on this and click on lock screen. Now look at what you can do. You can put on your lock screen just like that. You can choose the size, do what you want, and wow, crazy. Okay, set as wallpaper. Click on apply, and what? Let's test is on lock screen. Do something like that. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? Wonderful. You see what I'm talking about? It's beautiful. This is the cool definition of pure. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra wallpaper. Okay, now let's check another beautiful wallpaper that you can use for home screen. Okay, for your home screen, let's check. What do you want? What do you want? Okay, this is another wallpaper. You can set as wallpaper on home screen. Oh, look at that. Look at what you can do. Look at what you can do. This is crazy. Now click on set as wallpaper, home screen, and yellow. You see what I'm talking about? Beautiful. This is a good definition of beauty. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. It's amazing and it's cool. What do you think about this? Nice. Nice. Now let's click on lock screen. Now, whoa, what are you doing? Look at that. Lock screen. Beautiful. Beautiful. Again. Beautiful. Okay, this is amazing. You can unlock and beautiful. Look at that. Look at under the keyboard. What else? Nice. Look at what you can do. Settings. Power phone sort of motion. Unwritten. And what? Look at what I have in front of me. Bro, this is definitely not a joke. It's real. Now, what can you do? You can just go on Themes. Okay, Connect to your network, go on Terms and download what? Download a beautiful, amazing icons, and you can choose what you can choose to put here. Okay, to connect this icon to all of this color here for more beauty. Yes. Okay, let's test another one. Like what? Okay, let's test this to see if it's good. Set as what? Home screen and lock screen together. Yes, you see what I'm talking about. Do you like it? Do you like it, bro? Okay. What can I do? You can do something like that. Look at, it's possible. It's possible, bro. It's possible to do something like that. Yeah. This is cool, but when you move, it's move together. And what can I do? Where's a good position for you? I think that what? Okay, let's do something like that. And beautiful. Nice. What do you think? Okay, this is great. Okay, as you can see, it's nice. Now click on set on lock screen and home screen. Look at what I have now. Not bad. Lock screen. Beautiful. Home screen. Nice. Lock screen again. Beautiful. And lock screen. Nice. Okay. This is good though. Yes. And you can do what you want. Okay, do what you want. Open messages, do what you want easily. Wow. This is great. This is nice. And it's amazing. Okay. Thank you for watching. I also you enjoy this video. You can download this wallpaper in the description. Okay, let me configure something amazing before going. Lock screen. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Do you believe this? Okay. And what? Look at that also. Oh, this thing is so nice. Set on home screen. And ooh, I like the color. Right. Yes. Can you do something like that also? Ha. This is good though. And what? Home screen. Ooh, what you see what I'm talking about? Lock screen. Ooh, look at my lock screen. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? This is what I'm talking about. It's crazy. Wonderful. Look at the cool definition of beauty. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. I love you, bro. If you enjoy, like, subscribe, and share this video. Look at that. Wow. It's very beautiful. Thank you for watching.